Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the Margarete Miller Weekly Challenge, Week 30. And to me, this one was hard. It says, what do you think when you imagine a secret code? Is it a string of random numbers? Is it a strange looking alphabet? Is it symbols in a strange order? Create a collage with something that could look like a secret code. So I'm going to give it my best shot, but I have to say this one was hard for me. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel. Be sure and check out the hashtag 2022 CWP30 to see what everyone's made. There are a lot of talented ladies participating in this, and it has been so much fun. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, I'm finished with week 30, and it turned out a lot better than I anticipated. I've got my little codes throughout. So I've got my OU812, for those of you who know Van Halen, going with my bacon, and I've got See You Later, CUL8R, See You Later, K9 Doc, veterinarian, and it's my week 30, and I just added some random numbers to give it that mysterious feel. And my background, I just had some old magazines that I had, pages from where I had clipped out images, and I just glued them down and covered with gesso. And I did a little bit of accent with one of my new stamps that I got from Globaland, and did a little few black sprinkles, and that was as simple as it got. The hardest thing was just coming up with an idea. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out the hashtag 2022CWP30 to see what everyone else has done. I can't wait to see. So until next time, bye y'all.